Surds. Before we solve problems on surds, it's probably quite useful for us to go through a few important things. For example, in surds, if you have surd 5 multiplied by surd 4, that's equals to surd bracket 5 times 4, and that's equals to surd 20. And if you have surd 5 times surd 5, you know that is surd 5 times 5, which is surd 25. But we know root 25 is equals to 5. So surd 5 is always 5. Likewise, if I have surd 8 times surd 8, this will be equals to 8. We don't have to go through this process, we can write straight away from there. So that's the first thing about surd if you multiply. Now the next thing about surd that's quite useful for you to know is to simplify surd. So for example, I'm going to pick up this one again, surd 20. Now I can see that surd 20 is equals to surd of 4 multiplied by 5. Can you see that there? It's the same thing. Now that can be then split to surd 4 and surd 5. And what is the square root of 4? That's 2. So this is the same as 2 surd 5. Let's try another one. Let's say you have the square root of 50. Now you have to think of the biggest square number. What are the square numbers? Square numbers are 1, 4, 9, 16, 25. These are all square numbers. Now the biggest square numbers that can be a factor of 50 is 25. So if I have a surd 50, I can write that as surd 25 times 2, because 25 times 2 is 50. Now why did I pick 25? Because 25 is a square number. Now if I then split this, this is surd 25 and surd 2, so they're both under the influence of surds, and that becomes square root of 25 is 5, and square root of 2 is square root of 2. So surd 50 is 5 surd 2.